like Little Mermaid. I'm like, on the beach.
Okay, so when we do, we're going to do our pulses, and obviously we're going to, I always do my pulses, and then I come back with my stethoscope. And so remember, when we're listening to the carotid, we're listening for a bruit, which is a narrowed vessel that has turbulent blood flow. And so what we want to do is we want to palpate the pulse, and then we want to put it right here, and then we're going to listen with the bell, and we're going to listen for turbulent blood flow. Here it is. And a good idea is to hold your breath, Brittany, to increase the blood flow. And now let it out. And you'll hear a lot of backflow after that. And so it was fine. We did not auscultate a bruit, which is excellent.